Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model TM-1P, serial number 1097531. This machine was new in 2012 and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has the Haas 3-axis CNC control. Right now it is running 500 RPM. It goes up to 6,000. It has the enclosure. It is the tool room mill with the enclosure. 2,000 RPM. It has a 10.5 by 47.75 inch table with 30 inches of X travel, 12 of Y, and 16 of Z head up and down travel. 4,000 RPM. You have an umbrella style tool changer where you're simulating a tool change right now. It's a 10 tool capacity. Machine has a 40 taper spindle. Machine also does come equipped with the coolant pump kit. He's running the Z. Your Y. And your X. Okay, you've seen all 3 axes moving. All right, hey, thank you for watching our video.